With example 3, we're looking at multiplication and division in the same problem using scientific notation. It's the same process essentially, but we have a multiplication problem in the numerator and a multiplication problem in the denominator, and when we simplify each one separately, we end up with a division problem. So we'll start off with collecting the numerical values and the powers of 10. So 2.4 times 1.2 times 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 4th over 1.5 times 2.0 times 10 cubed times 10 to the 5th. And then we simplify each. First, let's take care of the numerical values. Let's go ahead and write this out to the side. You can use your calculator as well, but just so we don't lose the abilities we have, let's go ahead and multiply this out. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 8, 8, 2. 2 decimal places in the original multiplication problem, so move it over 2 decimal places to 2.88. So then this is going to simplify to 2.88 times 10 to the, we're multiplying, same base, so we add the exponents. So 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 4th is 10 to the 5 plus 4, which is 10 to the 9th. And then in the denominator, 1.5 times 2.0 is just 3.0, and that's times 10 cubed times 10 to the 5th. We add the exponents, so that's 10 to the 8th. So now we're looking at, we simply have a division problem involving scientific notation. So 2.88 divided by 3.0 times 10 to the, let's go ahead and just do this in one step. Same base, we're dividing, so it's subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then again, you can use your calculators, but I'll go ahead and write this out to the side. 2.88 divided by 3. 3 goes into 28 9 times. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down your 8, and that's 6. So this equals 0.96 times 10 to the 1. But we need to put this first part with only one digit before the decimal place. So that's 9.6 times 10 to the negative 1. Because it's less than 1, we're moving it to the left, times 10 to the 1, but then these cancel each other out. You could simplify using negative exponents, or you could just recognize that 10 to the negative 1 times 10 to the 1 is 10 to the negative 1 plus 1, which is 10 to the 0. So this is just going to end up equaling 9.6.